Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will see how to connect the Linux server and download and upload file, okay, by using FTP client, which is FileZilla. Okay, so we just need to copy the IP address, okay, for this Linux server. Then open the FileZilla FTP client. You need to download, okay. You can easily find it in the browser. Just enter the name FileZilla FTP client, okay. Then after opening the FileZilla FTP client, just click on this site manager, okay. Then you can create a new site here. As you can see, I have done the one practice for here. You can click on the new site, okay. Then paste the IP address of the Linux server, okay. Just select the SFTP, okay, for the secure FTP. Then enter the port number, which is SSH port number 22, and logon type, just take a key file, because AWS supports key based authentication, not the password one, okay, by default. Okay, we can change later on, but by default it is allowed to you login by key, okay. Then enter the username here, ec2-user, okay. Then we need to attach the key file here. I have already generated the private key, okay. Then where you can get this private key, when you launch the any ec2 instance, in that period you will get the private key, okay. Then just simply click on connect, okay. Just make sure SSH port is open for your network, otherwise it will not connect, okay. So I have already logged in my Linux server by using putty, okay. So here under the, I think it's got stuck, so let me refresh the session. Just right click on there and duplicate it, okay. Otherwise let me show you how to connect by using putty as well, okay. You can easily download putty. Putty is also to connect the Linux server and perform the commands, okay. This will not allow to download and upload the files, okay. This is just to connect the Linux server, like for the Windows server we use RDP, right, remote desktop connection. So let's paste the IP address of the Linux server here, and then from the right side, left side, just expand the SSH option, then auth, okay. Here is the option credentials, okay, and then here we need to put the private key, okay. Just attach it. Just make sure you should use always putty latest version, okay, 0.79. If you use older version it will give the error, okay. Then go back to the session. We have enter all the steps, okay, and then just simply click open, okay. It will ask username. Just type the username here, okay, and you can simply log into the Linux server, okay. Now you can see I have in my current location is /home/ec2user, okay. So I have created one test file here, okay, just for the testing purpose, okay. So from the FileZilla you can see here, if I just refresh the session, okay, you can see here the test file, okay. Now if I want to download file from the Linux server, you can simply, you will see here two windows. One is your local site and another one is remote site, okay. So from the remote site means your target server, Linux server, okay. Local site means your local system, okay. So from the remote server, as you can see the test file here. So let me create another one more file, okay. Vim test 2 file.txt, okay, and enter any text content, okay, any. Let's say you have these two files, okay. You can see. Now again just refresh the remote site. You can see the remote site has two files. Let's say I want to download one file, or either you can go with the multiple files here, okay. Before the download you need to select the local site location basically. Let's say I want to download in my desktop. Then just select to both file and just right click over there and just click on download, okay. So both file has been successfully transferred, that means downloaded, okay. Now I want to show you how to upload the files from the local machine. Okay, let's say I have a mock introduce AWS text file here and I want to upload on my Linux server. Okay, just right click on that and just click on upload. Okay, it will immediately upload. Okay, it's depend on the file size basically. If a file size is larger one, then it will take some time. Okay, now verify to the target server. I am just executing the command ls to list out the files. As you can see, the file is successfully uploaded. Okay, so this way you can download and upload of the files on the Linux server. Okay, by using ftp client FileZilla. Okay, and to connect the Linux server to perform any operations like writing the shell script or executing the commands, you can use putty. Okay, yeah, thank you for the today's session. We will meet in another session.